Do you eat flaxseed? Do you know what its advantages are? Flaxseed is the richest vegetable source of omega-3 and may be consumed as golden or brown flaxseed. Because our intestines cannot digest entire seeds, they must be ground before eating. Some of its advantages include: it helps with constipation because it is high in fiber, which helps with bowel motions. Its fiber prevents sugar from being absorbed too quickly, which aids with blood sugar regulation. It lowers cholesterol because it is high in fiber and omega-3, both of which help to lower bad cholesterol. Because of its fiber, which promotes the sense of fullness and reduces the appetite, it aids in weight reduction. Reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease by controlling cholesterol levels and reducing fat absorption in the gut. Because of its omega-3 content, it helps to reduce inflammation. Reduces PMS and menopause symptoms because it contains isoflavone, phytosterols, and lignin, all of which control female hormones. Golden flaxseed is suggested for better outcomes since it contains more nutrients than brown flaxseed, particularly omega-3. Furthermore, you should always consume them crushed up. Did you realize that? So when purchasing flaxseed, look for the seeds rather than byproducts such as oil or flour. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. To properly prepare your flaxseed, ground the seeds in a grinder, blender, or food processor. Flaxseed flour may only be consumed up to 24 hours after it is prepared. Consume ground flax seeds within 24 hours after manufacturing to ensure that your body receives the nutrients in their finest form. But you're probably wondering, how much should I eat? Adults should consume around 1.9 ounces, or 3 tablespoons, of flaxseed each day. The maximum quantity for children is 0.63 ounces, 1 tablespoon, per day. Flaxseed is not suitable for children under the age of 6. It is worth mentioning that due to its high fiber content, flaxseed powder requires water to be properly dissolved and absorbed by the colon. To avoid persistent digestive troubles, drink at least 67 ounces of water every day. In this instance, it is essential to consult with a nutritionist or gastroenterologist beforehand. Now tell us, did you already know that flaxseed needs to be ground before eating and that it should be consumed in up to 24 hours? If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to HealthDome for more videos like this. I can't grow this channel without your support. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy. Bye for now.